I'm Kate, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about one of our most amazing products with Steep Tea. For those of you who don't know, I am an independent sipologist with Steep Tea, and I'm here to talk today about matcha. So, why matcha? Well, matcha is one of the best superfoods in the world. What makes it a superfood? Let's see, there's so many benefits of it. You can boost your metabolism. It helps detoxify the body. It helps calm the mind. It's rich in fiber. It helps enhance your mood. So it's packed with antioxidants, including a really powerful one called EGCG. And that helps a lot with reducing inflammation and preventing heart and brain disease and things like that. So really there are so many benefits to drinking matcha. So Steep Tea has several different flavors of matcha. I believe we're up to 16 different flavors. We have both sweetened and unsweetened, and each of them only has 5 calories. The sweetened ones are sugared with some cane sugar and some stevia. For those of you who aren't a big fan of stevia, I have to tell you, you can't even taste the stevia in it, which is really important to me because I personally don't love the taste of stevia, but I cannot taste stevia in the sweet matcha. So I'm going to show you how to make a matcha. So I have here one of our matchas. This is my favorite. It is peach matcha, sweet peach matcha. And the ingredients, as you can see here, green tea, organic cane sugar, organic stevia extract, and natural flavor, okay? And some of the nutritional facts, it only has 5 calories, 1 carbohydrate, all right? It's got no added sugars, it's got no cholesterol, sodium, fat, anything like that. Each of these bags is 100 grams. That is 100 servings of matcha. So that is pretty good. For one bag, you get 100 servings out of it. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. Matcha is actually super easy to make. So matcha is a finely grounded powder, so you can mix it into anything. So for example, some of my favorite ways to enjoy it are to take our sweet chocolate matcha and put it in almond milk and mix it together. I love taking some of our matchas, like our banana matcha, mix it with some strawberries and some Fairlife milk and put it into a smoothie. I like to take our strawberry matcha and put it in some True Lemonade. There's really an endless amount of possibilities. So today what I'm going to show you how easy it is to make is I'm going to take some unsweetened iced tea and put it in my sweet peach matcha in it. So here we go. So here's my unsweetened iced tea. This is my matcha shaker right here. This one's a little bit on the older side, but we do have another new one called the Big Sip, which you can use for hot or cold matcha. And I'm just going to pour this up. It's just so simple to use. So now this is full here. This keeps it nice and cold with the insulation. All right, I've got our perfect 1 cup of matcha spoon. All right, I'm gonna put it in here so you can kind of see what it looks like. All right, now I gotta tell you, the first time I tried matcha, I was a little intimidated by the look of it because I'm not a big earthy person, or I don't like to try things that look different. But I gotta tell you, it's amazing. It doesn't even taste like what it smells like. It tastes like whatever flavor you have. So this sweet peach matcha, once you mix it in, all you taste is peach. So this is what it looks like. All right, you can see it's a nice finely grounded green powder. And you just put it in here. All right, put the cap on. Make sure it's closed because I have made that mistake before and then there's matcha everywhere. All right, and you shake it. All right, so this is like the easiest way to make matcha, right? I'm done. All right, this is my matcha now. And I can kind of show it to you. All right, it looks like a little bit of green, right? Foam on the top, and on the bottom, it's just gonna look like regular iced tea. So that is how I make my matcha. I've had people mix matchas into yogurt, into oatmeal. I've had people make matcha muffins. There's just so many different ways that you can use matcha. So I hope this helps you, and I hope you have a great day. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks, bye.